All right, we have now gone through an exhaustive discussion on CPR, and I'm sure that all of you have got a very good idea about what is CPR wide, what is CPR narrow, and now you are able to get a very, very deep insight into the what is the world of CPR and how you should be trading it. We have also discussed in detail the level 1 strategy and how to track it if it is a narrow CPR, how to track it if it is a wide CPR. The level 1 is using the concept of Fibonacci pivot, and we definitely went into the cam area section as well, and we discussed about the bullish mode or the bearish mode and the alert system. So all this will help you to track the trades, and we have also covered on how to do it along with the rolling ticker, right? Rolling ticker is a very useful feature, and I would definitely advise all of you to use that feature so that you can get a fast track approach of the CPR world, right? So that's about your level 1 approaches. Then we also discussed about the NR7, the narrow range 7 and the narrow wide 7. We also discussed about the narrow range 7 and also the wide range 7, and how those stocks are supposed to be dealt with, and how you should be, cautioning yourself and readying yourself. All these things are covered in a great amount of detail as part of the CPR discussions which we have had. And I'm sure that if you watch it again and again, you will get very good clarity. Now, to ensure that you can revise this again and again, what we have done is we have a very useful feature right at the top of the page, where you see here a plus symbol here. Now in this plus symbol, we have covered how you can use the CPR and how you can find out how to use the CPR features. There is a video available here. You can watch this video and get more understanding of the same. Plus, there is also a PDF where there is a help file, and I want all of you to go through it, read through it, and ensure that your understanding of CPR is rock solid, right? Now, after you go through these videos, after you find, I want all of you to take some trades and share in the comment box below as to which style of CPR trading you like, right? I want you to share in the comment box what style of CPR trading you like, whether you like the level 1 breakdown breakout, or you like the cam area bullish mode or alert, or you like the NR7 approaches, or you like the Virgin CPR, whichever style you like. But I want to know which style you like it, so that all of you can inspire each other to check out the various facets of the CPR page and also trade it and share your experience. Because I truly believe that if you want to learn, you should know how to share it. That's what I've been taught by my founder, and I'm sure that all of you will also do the same thing. Thank you so much for joining me as part of this CPR videos. I will see you in the next one.